Okay, guys, starting, you gotta drink 3 beers right now. You gotta chug 3 beers, okay, man? You hear me? So when I get down there, you better get ready. You better de-thirst that stuff. Bang. Are you ready to talk? You ready to talk? You ready to make your speech and toast? You ready?
Go behind the table.
You ready?
Okay.
Ready?